Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So in this video today, we're taking a look at 2 breakfast ideas. They're both sugar-free, can be made gluten-free, quick and easy, and meal prep friendly, and they taste amazing too. So let's get into the video. So we're going to need a banana, make sure it's nice and ripe, an avocado, and it has to be very soft for this recipe, some kale, a date, medjool dates work best, spirulina, but this is optional as it can have a strong taste, some ground flaxseed, some cocoa powder, orange essence, or you can use zest, some granola for the toppings, some strawberries or fruit of your choice for the toppings, and also soy milk. So we're going to get our blender and we're going to add the banana and the kale, and the kale is really good for you as it supports heart health and aids digestion. We're now going to add our medjool dates, and you can use any other type of dates, our avocado, our spirulina, and our ground flaxseed, which is a great source of omega-3, and now our cocoa powder and orange essence, and finally our soy milk. Now we're going to give that a blend until it's nice and smooth. It should only take a couple of minutes. And now you can pour that mixture into your bowl, add your fruit of choice, and also your granola, or you can use nuts and raisins or any other type of cereal, and you're done. So for the tofu scramble, you're going to need some firm tofu, a garlic clove, a vegetable stock cube, boiling water, lime juice, chilli sauce or sriracha, apple cider vinegar, turmeric powder, and some dried oregano. So we're going to take our tofu block and we're going to crumble it into little pieces. You can even do this over the saucepan to make it quicker. So now you can move on to the next step, which is adding the garlic. So we're going to crush our garlic. And now you're going to crumble in the stock cube. And now you're going to add the rest of the ingredients. And you're going to give that a mix. So you're going to want to put it on a medium heat, and it should only take about 5 minutes to cook. So as you're stirring it, what we need to do is we need to check that the water has evaporated. So every now and again, just come back and just give it a mix. You can also add some kale or spinach for some extra greens. Now as we can see, the water has basically nearly evaporated, so it's done. And you can serve this on toast, and you can top it with chili sauce, with some tomatoes, whatever you want to personalize it to make it yours.